nanoCAD introduces a range of improvements designed to make everyday drafting faster, clearer, and more efficient. To help users work faster, nanoCAD now includes localized command aliases for French, Spanish, German, and Portuguese. You can run commands using familiar abbreviations in your native language, making everyday work quicker and more intuitive. Create circles, draw lines, add hatches, make blocks, and access many other commands using the aliases you already know. Less typing, smoother workflow, and faster design in your own language. nanoCAD is also now available with a Chinese user interface, enabling installation and use of the software entirely in Chinese. Design, navigate, and work with familiar tools in your native language. New templates and profiles have also been introduced, allowing users to quickly configure the software for either metric or imperial measurement systems. This ensures you can design and add dimensions in the system you prefer while keeping drawings precise and properly scaled. The interface has been refreshed with a cleaner visual style. Text indicators in the status bar have been replaced with minimalistic icons, and many dialog boxes across the application have been redesigned, including options, profiles, layout manager, text decoding, and others, creating a more modern and consistent user experience. Drawing tools have also been enhanced. Rectangle and Polygon commands now provide additional creation modes and flexible settings available through the Extended Properties panel. Speed up your design by setting the object type, choosing the construction method, and specifying the exact coordinates and dimensions. Object snaps have become smarter and more configurable. Users can now fine-tune snap behavior in the Options dialog, including object highlighting, snap trigger control, and other settings. A new snap mode, Extended Intersection, detects intersection points as if objects were extended. It can be enabled as a one-time intersection snap. Parallel Snap mode now displays improved construction geometry with both parallel tracking and a dynamic perpendicular guide. Polar tracking has also been improved, allowing angles to be measured relative to the direction of the previously drawn segment. A comprehensive set of new text tools has been introduced to improve editing efficiency and control. Text Align aligns multiple text objects along a selected line. Multiline Text Formatting Reset clears multiline text formatting in a single click. Text to Multiline Text Conversion merges multiple text objects into a single multiline text for easier editing. Auto-numbering automatically numbers text objects based on defined parameters. Text Mask and Unmask applies or removes background masking to prevent overlap with hatches and drawing geometry. The mEdit command has also been enhanced. It now allows text editing within blocks, dimensions, multiletters, DWG tables, attributes, and external references. Layer management in nanoCAD has become more powerful and flexible. With layer groups, filters, and layer states, organizing complex drawings is now easier than ever. Using the expandable Layer Filter Tree panel, you can quickly structure layers, control visibility, and manage different layer configurations. Group related layers together. Create smart filters to speed up your workflow. Save layer states to switch between setups instantly. Everything you need to keep your drawings organized, efficient, and under control. Block editing workflows have been improved as well. In Block Editor, 3D Block Editor, and Reference Editor, new and Canvas tool widgets provide quick access to the main editing commands directly within the drawing area. Batch file processing now includes an additional optional step: convert to 2D. This function projects objects with non-zero z coordinates onto the XY plane of the current coordinate system. Working with tables is now simpler and faster. Report generation offers ready-to-use reporting options, which significantly speeds up the creation of specification tables. Copying layouts has also become easier and can now be done by pressing the Control key. Support for 3D threads has been extended with 9 additional international standards, including isometric, trapezoidal, buttress, round, and British threads. External and internal threads can be applied directly to cylindrical surfaces that match the selected standard. Finally, new assembly constraints have been added for torus to torus and torus to sphere tangency, supporting both internal and external contact conditions. The element database has been expanded with new DIN flanges and flange gaskets, available in both 2D and 3D representations. The database now also includes a wide range of international fasteners, such as set screws, pins, and screws based on DIN and ISO standards. Download nanoCAD 26 today and see how the latest improvements can make your design process faster and more comfortable.